In the journal app, you can add memories and photos and things that you've done recently, but there are also writing prompts if you'd rather journal that way. So if I go on to add a new entry, and then go onto the recommended tab, by default it should be there anyway, as I scroll down you'll see a few text-based memory ideas for you. These are designed to be open-ended writing prompts that you can add your own reflections and thoughts to. But for me, I don't always like all the options that are there. That's okay though, we can simply tap the regenerate button in the corner, and that will give me a new writing prompt. And I can keep pressing this as much as I want, until I find one that perhaps resonates more with me, and then I can simply tap on it to add a new journal entry. It's then given me that idea of what I want to write about and reflect upon. I think this is quite nice because it certainly causes you to reflect on things that perhaps you wouldn't otherwise consider putting in your journal. For me, up until now, I've mostly been using photos and locations, so to actually get me thinking slightly differently, it does create some interesting journal articles. And then, when I've done it, it will then show up in the feed just like normal, and you get the coloured box at the top showing you the writing prompt, followed by your response underneath.